Hey man, let's talk about something that stings every guy to his core: rejection. That moment she turns you down, ignores your text, or simply says, "I'm not interested." Most guys see it as defeat. They spiral, they chase, they try harder. But what if I told you, rejection is actually a golden moment, a hidden door into attraction, if you play it right? Yeah, sounds crazy, but it's real. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to flip rejection into pure desire. Part 1. Acceptance is power first. Stop fighting the rejection. Most men take rejection personally. They beg for explanations. They try to prove their worth. They ask why. And in doing so, they kill all mystery, all value, and all attraction. But a high-value man, he doesn't flinch. He doesn't chase. He accepts. And in that acceptance, she feels something rare: confidence, self-respect, strength. That alone begins to shift her perception of you. Part 2. Rejection creates tension. Use it. When a woman rejects you, she expects you to fold, to shrink, to chase. But if you lean back instead, if you say cool, no worries, I wish you the best, and disappear, guess what? You create a gap, a mystery, a question in her mind. That's tension. And attraction lives in that tension. When you stop trying to prove yourself, you flip the script. Now she's the one wondering if she judged you too soon. That curiosity is your opening. Part 3. Rebuild through energy, not words. You don't win her back by texting her paragraphs. You win her back by becoming the man she didn't see the first time. Work on your body, get your money right, build your mission, glow up in silence. Let her see your energy shift. Post a story, go out with friends, be seen. Women are emotional. When they feel your absence and your growth, they get confused and then intrigued and then pulled back in. Let your vibe speak louder than your voice. Part 4. Re-entry must be subtle and powerful. If she comes back or you cross paths again, don't bring up the past. Don't say, "Remember when you rejected me." That's weak energy. Instead, keep it light, keep it fun. Let her feel your confidence. Joke, tease, show her you're not wounded. Show her you're better than before and that she no longer has emotional power over you. That shift alone makes her see you through a new lens. The rejection fades, the attraction begins. Part 5. Never need her. Make her need you. Here's the truth. Most guys never get. Women are attracted to men who don't need them. When she rejected you, you had a choice: chase or walk away. You chose to evolve. That energy makes you magnetic. When you live like your life is complete, with or without her, you become the man she can't ignore. Remember, women don't fall for men who try to win them. They fall for the man they feel lucky to get. So if she rejected you, smile. That's your signal to level up. Not to beg, not to fix, but to become. The attraction comes after you walk away, after you grow, after you stop trying to impress and start becoming a man she can't forget. Don't react, transform. Because the man who can turn rejection into attraction, that's the man she never saw coming.